is an actor and a screenwriter known for Frances Ha and 20th Century Women. She's now making her directorial debut with Lady Bird.
I want to go where culture is, like
How
New
in the
York,
world did I raise such a
or at least
snob?
Connecticut or New Hampshire,
Well,
where
you
writers
couldn't
live in the
get
woods.
into those schools anyway.
Mom,
You can't even pass your driver's test.
because you wouldn't let me practice
The way
enough.
that you work, or the way that you don't work, you're not even worth state tuition, Christine.
My name is Lady Bird.
Well, actually, it's not, and it's ridiculous.
Call me
because your
Lady
name
Bird
is
like you said
Christine.
you would.
You should just go to City College. You know, with your work ethic, just go to City College and then to jail and then back to City College, and then maybe you'd learn to pull yourself up and not expect everybody to do everything.
Please welcome Greta Gerwig. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
No, we don't have a lot of directors on this show.
Oh.
Because, I don't know. No, because people just don't know who directors are, and directors really belong behind the camera.
Right.
You know?
They don't bring us out very often.
No, but
yeah.
you're also an accomplished actress in your own right, and a screenwriter, I said before. And I understand, and I'd like to know the story behind this. You were almost on a CBS sitcom. We were almost co-workers.
Yes, we were almost in the same CBS family. There was a show called How I Met Your Mother.
I remember,
Does anyone-
yeah. I'm familiar.
It was a great show. I loved it. Everyone loved it. And they were going to make another one called How I Met Your Dad, starring me. And we shot the pilot, and it was so much fun, and I loved working on it. And then they take the pilot to Las Vegas, and they
It's like a focus group.
Yeah, they test it. And the audience, they're given knobs, and they turn the knob to the right if they like it, and to the left if they don't. And apparently, they turned the knob to the left every time I came on.
Oh, no.
So they didn't like it at all.
Now, now you've got Lady Bird,
That's
which
right,
is, as you said, directorial debut, and it is getting amazing notices. It was called Perfection by the New York Times. It's got a 100% on Rotten Tomatoes, which is unheard of.
Yes.
It's absolutely unheard of. Congratulations on that.
Yes. Thank you.
We saw that great clip with Saoirse Ronan there. Is it based on your childhood, your teenage years?
It's inspired by parts of my childhood, but it's not literally me. I wasn't
Tell the
like
people
that.
out there the story.
Okay, so Lady Bird is about a girl named Christine McPherson who makes everybody call her Lady Bird, and it takes place over the senior year of high school, and it's kind of a love story between her and her mom, how like hard it is to say goodbye, and how one person's coming of age as another person's letting go, and it's really funny, but it will also make you cry and call your mom.
Did you cry and call your mom?
Yeah, and then my mom cried and called me when I showed it to her.
So it's in some way she recognized some of your relationship in this movie?
Yeah, she recognized some of it. I mean, she knows more than anyone what's not real and what's real. But
Did she say, like, why'd you put that in? Nobody needs to know that about us. Was it any of it too personal?
No, I think she thought she was very flattered by it. She's seen it 6 times.
Did you at any point jump out of your mother's car?
Not a moving car.
At a stoplight or something?
It was idling, yes. That I exited.
Now, I understand that you went to an all-girls Catholic school?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, like stereotypical, like knee socks and plaid skirts kind of thing?
Yeah.
With the nuns measuring like the length of the skirt and all that kind of stuff?
We had skirt check,
okay.
yeah.
Skirt check, that's what it's called?
Skirt check, yeah.
Okay.
If it goes below your fingertips, or above your fingertips, it's bad.
Wow.
Yeah.
But you're not a Catholic.
No, I'm not a Catholic, but I actually loved Catholic school and everything in it because I mean, to be totally honest, because I was kind of a theatrical kid, I felt like they had really good outfits and really good musical numbers.
The stagecraft of the Catholic Church is I was an altar boy for years, and that was my experience of being on stage. It's like, I'm on stage, and everybody's looking at me.
And the smoke and all the stuff.
Oh, the incense, the censer and everything like that?
Yeah.
Incense on the chain ball and the ding, 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 the bells and everything.
Exactly. And it
the
felt,
nuns are witches and
it
stuff
felt
like
like
that.
very close to like Sound of Music or something. It felt like
Very close to Sound
it's
of
like
Music.
it was very.
Except the nuns don't run off with the Baron.
Yes, that's right. They did.
They're very,
don't.
very important. They don't do that.
But we had nuns. We had pretty groovy nuns. So
Oh,
they
really?
were. Yeah, they were.
Like folk mass, like,
Yeah.
Dominic.
Yeah.
Those kind of nuns.
Sort of like
Singing.
ukulele playing nuns, musical nuns. But they didn't like we would do.
I've never played musical nuns.
It's a great game. But we would do I took theology for 4 years because
Sure.
it was part of it. And I remember the school I went to is called St. Francis, and it's based on St. Francis of Assisi.
Okay,
and so we watched the Zeffirelli film, Brother, Sun, Sister, Moon.
Oh yeah, sure. About his discovering his
Becoming
sainthood. Yeah.
St. Francis. And the way he does it is pretty dramatic. He takes off all of his clothes in the town square and is like, I don't need your money, Father. And I always identified with the father being like, oh no. My son just heard from God and now he's taking off his clothes. But then I remember it's a beautiful film. But then
And the actor's cute.
So cute. He's a beautiful guy. But the nun put a Post-it note over the place where she knew his butt would be. She was like, "Not today, ladies."
Oh well. They missed out on a convert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You never knew. It would have that with the costumes. I was like, I'm in.
Well, it was lovely to meet you. Thank you
So
so much
nice
for
to
being
meet
here.
you.
Lady Bird is in theaters now. Greta Gerwig, everybody. We'll be right back with a performance by Dead and Company. Stick around.